Sometimes you're on the wrong train, meaning you have your earphones. You can either have something beneficial. You're listening to an audio book. You're listening to some Quran. You're listening to nasheed. You're listening to a good talk. You're listening to something beneficial. Or you could be listening to something that's almost pornographic. You could be. And sometimes it's so loud that you don't even know. People greet you and you don't even care. So it's up to you. Are you on the right train? Sometimes you do have those earphones, but you're on the wrong train. And sometimes, subhanallah, we as human beings need a reminder again and again. And these reminders should not upset you. They should make you happy. Someone got up and reminded me to do the right thing. If you want to change something, my brothers and sisters, tonight is the night. Tonight is the night. You want to change something, you know what you need to change. You know what you need to stop. You know what you need to do. Do it tonight. By the will of Allah. Allah holds us accountable. Would you not like to see solution across the globe for the struggling that the ummah is going through right now? And not just the ummah, but humanity at large. So much of chaos. I promise you, the first step you need to take is to recognize your maker. To recognize the one who made entire creation. And then you do everything else that needs to be done. Whatever is in your capacity, because each one of us is given a different capacity. So whatever your capacity is, use that capacity to do whatever you can for your brothers and sisters who are struggling. I always tell myself, imagine, if I've lost a loved one, they've lost all their loved ones. If I've lost some money, they've lost their livelihood and the livelihood of entire community. If I've lost something, a little accident, a motor vehicle, their houses were blown to smithereens. And there they are saying, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. And here we are, so stressed and depressed like the world has come to an end. Yet comparatively, nothing has happened to us yet. Do you see what I'm saying? May Allah Almighty grant us lesson.